John, the service manager at Rock and Roll Harley, and we can do 100 oil changes in one day.
Hi, I'm Derek. I'm a fish specialist. I think service can do 863 oil changes today.
I'm Fee. I work in apparel, and I think service can do 350 oil changes.
Oh, hey guys, Adam here at Rock and Roll City Harley-Davidson. I just want to let you know that I think service can do 6,713 oil changes.
I am Benjamin. I'm an assistant sales manager. I believe service could do about 114 oil changes.
This is Charlie from Parts. I think service can do 26 oil changes.
Hi, I'm Tyler, one of the technicians here, and I think you should shut the